welcome to the first of many videos of the home decorating series saga. I have no idea what I'm going to call it yet. Comment down below your suggestions for it. But we are heading into downtown Atlanta to go, well, close enough, to go to IKEA. I have never been to an IKEA, I know. Shame on me. But I am very excited because I have heard many wonderful things about this place. So, we'll see if it lives up to all the hype. Are you excited?
Yes.
I think he's been.
To an IKEA?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. I have it.
oh. Well, I'm an IKEA virgin, so I'm very excited. So today our goal is to decorate our front porch. I will enter a picture of it right here and also just pictures of what our inspiration is for what we want to do. We're hoping it's like a one-stop shop and we can get everything at IKEA because it's kind of already late in the day. If you've been following me and you saw last week's vlog, you know that we also this morning cleaned the apartment and I said goodbye to it for the last time. So it's about 3:47 right now. And we also, you know, we don't want to be getting home late because I have to work all day tomorrow. So this could just be a Friday vlog of home decorating, I don't know, or it could be a Friday Sunday deal because depending on timing. But yeah, we're really excited. So come along with us, help us decorate our house. All right guys, we just made it to IKEA. I am so excited. Yeah, I'll pick you guys up when we get inside. Okay guys, so we've been doing some damage. There's our cart. And I just want to show you, we're in the light section. Look how cool this area looks. Like, it's the camera's not doing it justice, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, so this has really become like, we're getting a couple things for like everywhere in the house. So I think this is going to be like the guest bath slash hopefully front entrance. We haven't really seen anything for that yet. So I don't know. I don't know what this video is turning into, but it's home decorating and that's what I told you guys I'd give you. But yeah, so we're just kind of looking at in-table lamps and getting ideas on how we want to decorate. And yeah, it's really, really helped. So I know, I love it. Ooh, look at my eyes though, babe. Look how blue they are.
Nice.
So blue. I love this. Can I just have this light always? Just like a light follow me around.
This town's so...
Good morning guys. Happy Sunday. Oh god, this hat is all weird. Okay, there we go. We are on our way to Michael's on the continuous home decor search. We were going to go to Hobby Lobby, but I completely forgot Hobby Lobbies were closed on Sunday, which is why I hate working Saturdays, but that's besides the point. So yeah, we're on our way to Michael's, see what we can find there. If everything works out perfectly, the front door, the front porch, and the guest bath, or the half bath, excuse me, will be completely done today. If everything works out perfectly. But that's in an ideal world, and we don't live in an ideal world. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, come along with us to Michael's.
I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired. We're in your car. We can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah.
This is where Kyle holds his sunglasses.
Oh shit, I'm sunglasses.
That he almost forgot.
There we go.
Alright guys, we ended up at Home Goods. Big shocker. Because where we're at, there's literally a Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Michael's, literally all in a line. So we're hoping to find and finish the guest bath in here. We got that door sorted. So yeah. We stopped at Laundry Baskets because ours is broken. Alright guys, we've made it to the bath mats. Is that seriously the same one?
It's similar to the one that I was pointing out to you that was in my great grandma's house.
Yeah, that's not bad.
It's like,
It's not bad. Ooh, fluffy. What about that one?
this one would work.
Is it? Oh, I'm not gonna like that though.
It's better size.
Oh, wait. Oh, babe, feel this.
Yeah, I get that. Let's give me a dagger. Do you want to clean that?
But it's so soft.
People are gonna be wearing their shoes in that bed.
Oh, fine. I kind of like the look of that.
You know, it's not bad.
Here, can you pull that out? Home goods, the motherland. Alright guys, we got the goods. They're in the back. Mission is accomplished. We're gonna go home, eat lunch, and then I will do a little haul for you guys on what we got, and then we'll get to decorating. Alright guys, we're back home, and I'm gonna do a really quick, like, rush haul because we wanna start laundry so that way by the time we're done eating lunch, we can start fully decorating. So, the first thing we got was from IKEA, and see if you could see that. We got 3 of these for the bathrooms. They're just like little plastic, white and black, hello focus, soap dispensers because they'll just fit perfectly everywhere. We also got the matching toilet brush because every bathroom needs a toilet brush. And then we got this really pretty orchid that we don't know where we're gonna put. It's fake, but we don't know where we're gonna put it, but we'll find a place because it's cute. And then we got this thing this hanging plant. This will probably be changed out, but good thing it's fake. But we thought we would hang this above our sink just for now until we find a better one we like. And then this one, I'm not gonna actually show you what it is, but it's a really cool lamp that you'll see when we finally get around to like slowly decorating our living room. But we're gonna go ahead and put it up just because we're really excited about it. And then for the outside, we got these really cool planter pots. We got them in 2 different sizes, and then these pebbles with all of these gorgeous flowers that my husband arranged. So those are gonna go out on the front porch. And then from Home Goods, we got 2 different towels. They're a little different in color, but they're still like with the beach theme. So the half bath is gonna be like my homage to my hometown, which is Charleston. So we got these really cute Rae Dunn towels that say welcome with the pineapple, and if you're from Charleston you get that reference. And then we just got some extra little hand towels. They're a little like more pastel-y blue, while like this is more turquoise, but we figured like when one's dirty and needs to be washed, we can exchange them for these, get the same vibe. You get it. And then we got, really quick, this painting to go on one of the walls. I really love it. I think it's so calming. And then the other painting we got was this really cute, if I can get it out, this really cute, be the reason someone smiles. I just think that's such a cute saying, and I'm all about positivity. So I got that. And then this is like really random, has nothing to do with what we're doing today, but it's a haul, so I'm gonna include it. We got some new sheets because our sheets like weirdly got ruined by something, we don't know what. So we needed new sheets, and we got bamboo sheets. So I'm really they feel amazing, and I know like when we wash them, they're gonna feel even softer. So I'm really excited about that. And then I got a smaller ridged foam roller for targeting the trouble spots on my body after I work out. And then the last thing we got is this oh so fluffy, amazing white bath mat for, like, seriously guys, you could take a nap on it. It's that cozy. For the half bath. So that's the haul. I'm gonna go ahead and get laundry started so we can start decorating. Oh, look what Kyle did. I actually kind of like that. It's cute. It's cute. That's cute. But yeah, I'm gonna get laundry started so that way once we finish we can just start decorating, because we're trying to get all this done because I have some calls for later today that I want to make, and also like we just want to have the rest of our Sunday to chill. So I'll catch you guys when we're decorating outside. Okay guys, so we've eaten. Let me turn this light on. And now we're putting together the flower arrangements. We have some pebbles in there. And so yeah, we have stuff in the wash. So all the half bath stuff is like I thought these were in the big one.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I thought both of those were in the big one.
No, because I know one of these had, I know this had like one of these lighter ones.
So yeah, that's what we're doing now. All the half bath stuff is like getting washed right now, so we're doing the half bath last. We have to do some hardware in here, a little construction, if you will. We got to move some stuff around and repaint. So that's going to take the most. So we're going to do like the outside, and we have a little couple other things like this wash sign from our apartment we want to hang up here, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then honestly, we're probably gonna go ahead and put like the lamp together to just let everything finish washing and drying and all that good stuff. So it's not a lot of work we're doing today, but hey, we're gonna have 2 areas of the house decorated today. But yeah, first step is floral arrangements. Alright guys, so here is the before of our front porch. As you can see, it's really boring. We have this huge massive space, which is what we're going to fill with the flowers, and we'll probably build this over time. But for right now, obviously, we just got the little arrangements just to add a little something something on here.
Listen to the midnight radio.
Alright guys, so here's the after. I know it's not much, but it literally just adds a tiny bit of color, and I just think these are so pretty. They really weren't that expensive, and obviously we're going to add to it. I would love to get like 2 more and kind of fill this spot, but for now it's just a little decor just to brighten the front entryway up. So here it is, our front door porch area. 1 room down, 1 to go. Alright guys, we are about to start work on the guest bath. Kyle is hanging a sign for me. Well, for us really. What is this here? Anyways, but I want to give you a before of the guest bath before it is completely transformed. What you see, hello, we have just the towel racks over here, and as you can see, it's just very kind of plain right now, nothing really going on with it, just very kind of substandard.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life. Can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah, this town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night.
Alright guys, our guest bath is complete-ish. There's still a couple things we want to do to it, but I'm just going to walk you through. So first at the sink right now, I just have the Febreze right here because I don't like things back on the back of the toilet because they just like fall and get everywhere. And then these we just got from IKEA. They're really simple, easy, just soap dispensers. I don't know what I'm going to put in this. I think I might just leave it empty in case like any guest or anything, I don't know, just something to have. And then we couldn't move the toilet roll holder thingy over here like we wanted to because we don't have the right stuff, but that eventually is going to get moved over here. This fluffy rug that I'm obsessed with, we got from HomeGoods, as well as this is where we got the Rae Dunn towels that just say home with the pineapple on them. I kind of wish they were a lighter blue, but it's still very pretty. And then we just have a toilet bowl cleaner. And we're going to get like a toilet roll holder for this corner right here. We just couldn't find one. But yeah, and then these prints. This says, be the reason someone smiles today. I love this. I thought it was so cute. It's kind of not the right color, but it actually works really well in here. And then this one of the beach, which I absolutely am obsessed with. I think it just brightens the whole room. Both of these were from HomeGoods. But yeah, Our guest bath is complete and it feels so good to have a room decorated. It just makes me like want to decorate the rest of the house so bad. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming along with the first episode of turning our house into a home. Yeah, we're just really excited to continue this journey. So if you want, hit that like and subscribe button to see more videos like this, as well as just regular daily vlogs. Our lives are about to get a lot more exciting. Stay tuned, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I love you guys, and I'll see you next Saturday with a brand new vlog. Bye.